Hey guys, in this video we're going to be making a neon material change when our character runs through the box. So there we go, and changes back, just like that. Let's go. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a new folder and we're going to call it blueprints. There we go. And in here blueprints, we're just going to go and make a blueprint class and class actor. We're going to name this neon underscore change. You can change this to, you can make this any name you want, and we're just going to double click and open this. So we're prompted here with this viewport, and we're just going to go and add a, I'm just going to make mine a cube, but you can have yours any static mesh that you want. I'm just going to change the size. This is a bit too big, just make it a bit smaller, like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a box collision, like that. Just keep it named box, and we're just going to scale it up a bit bigger, compile and save. And now we're going to go over to this event graph over here, just delete these nodes, and in this here we can see, let's make sure we click our collision box, right click, we see these two add event and call functions. We're going to add an event, we're going to add an event collision. We're going to do add on component begin overlap. So this code is basically saying when the box is overlapped, do something. So we're going to do something. So we're just going to drag out, and we're going to do set material. Just going to click normal set material, and we're going to drag our cube in and press get cube. This will be our target, and we're going to select the material we want to change it to. So we're going to just change it to any material that we want. Doesn't matter, you can have multiple neon colors or anything, doesn't matter. So we're just going to drag this in like so. Just going to select our mesh and change the material to the neon that we created last time, and there we go. So we're going to move our box just where we want to see it, and make sure it's not hidden in game so we can actually see it. So let's run over to this, and the material should change. There we go. As you can see, the material just stays the same. It doesn't change back. So let's just do that. So we want to make it to change back. So opening up our code that we have, what we can do, instead of finding it in here, if you had to search through it, there is a shortcut up here. So you can just press edit neon change. And as we got a begin overlap, let's get a end overlap. So collision, end overlap. This basically the end of overlapping this trigger box do something. And we're going to do is set material again. We can just set material cube and change the material back to the neon instance that we created the last video. So compile, save, close, and press play. So now when we go in this box, it should change to the other color that we created. There we go, and then when we leave, it goes back. So you can do this multiple ways. You can have this to just run over. You can cast it to only this character. You can cast it to a certain blueprint or anything. You can also have the input when you press E, or you can shoot a projectile through the box, anything. But yeah, that's it. There we go. Thank you for watching.